Okay, so to add shapes on your slide, you can just go through the insert menu, or you can click the shape button here. There are lots of shapes to choose from. If we choose a shape, we just click and drag to draw it. It automatically comes with a light blue fill and a black line border. I can change that light blue fill to any of these colors. I can also change it to a gradient. Or if I knew a specific hexadecimal color that I was looking for, I could change it to that. I could also change to one of these colors and make it darker or more transparent, etc. So when I click OK, the color has changed, but the line is still black. So if I wanted to make the line, get rid of the line altogether, I could, or I could make it white, I can make it any of these colors. I'm going to make it kind of a dark gray, and I'm going to change the line to make it a little thicker. So I'm going to go down here and choose 8 point, which makes it a very thick line. When I choose the line, notice that my toolbars here disappear if I don't have that shape selected. So when I select the shape again, I can go back up here and I can choose the different style for that border. If I want to make it dots or dashed, I can do that. And as I change the size of the shape, um, it will add more of the dashes on there, but it will keep it the thick border that I had done before. Also, when it's selected, you notice you have this little button up at the top that you can use to rotate the shape. If you need to just change the location of it, you move it around. If I want to make a square instead of a rectangle, I choose the rectangle tool and I hold my shift key down. I could just try to eyeball it, but if I want to be accurate, hold the shift key and then draw the square, and it automatically makes it a square. Now it's making it the same shape that I had made it the other previously. Same tool or same trick is available to make a square or a circle. If I just draw it, it's an oval. But if I draw the circle holding the shift key down, it will make it into a circle automatically. So, and then also with shapes, you don't have to put a text box over the top of it. You can just start typing on it and it will automatically show up in there. And then you can do the usual with the text. You can move it around, center it, make it larger, etc. And it stays in the text box. And then the last couple of shape tools or uses. So here I have made kind of a little person, and I did the hair by using the polyline. So that's under the line menu or tool button, and I choose polyline, and I can just go over here and I can create whatever kind of shape, but when I come back to the beginning, it automatically finishes it for me and makes it a shape. So on this one, I just made several clicks to make the hair. You could do, I have had students who've made lots of different artwork with using the polyline and all the shapes, and they just get really creative. The other thing you can do is to make a picture into a shape. So for example, here I took a summer picture and I just insert that picture into the slide. And when it's inserted, it will come in as a rectangle. So then with it selected, I can go up here. This is the crop tool. So if I just click on that, it will crop it. But if I click on the arrow next to it, it will allow me to change it into a shape. So there is the shape. I like this one because I am dreaming of summer right now, and I'm dreaming of ice cream as well. Hope you found something helpful here in making shapes and